Do you want to lose weight and feel better? You've attempted before but failed? You've tried many diets and exercise but not see any results? Let's take a look at the top 5 tips on how to lose weight. These are in no particular order, they're all essential, but number 5 is absolutely critical for this to work. And you will be surprised when I say this, but exercise is not even on this list. You'll quickly understand it is not difficult. Well, without further ado, buckle up as this is where magic happens. Tip number 1, eat more protein. Chicken, fish, lean cuts of meat, eggs, Greek yogurt, you name it. Protein is your best friend. You must include more protein in your diet. Protein is super important. Why? There are 2 reasons for it. First, protein is extremely satiating. The number 1 reason why people fail while trying to lose weight is because of their hunger. Having plenty of protein in your diet will keep you full and satiated. Protein can inhibit your hunger spikes for much longer than anything else can. Reason number 2, protein has a high thermic effect of food. What does it mean? It means you burn extra calories just because you ingested protein. That's right, you heard it correctly. For you to digest protein, your body first needs to break it down into smaller pieces. These pieces are called amino acids and are essential for your existence. So in other words, the digestion of protein burns extra calories. That's a win-win. Tip number 2, eat more fiber. This is very important. Eat fiber-rich foods. As I've said before, the very number 1 reason why most people fail on their weight loss journey is because of hunger. Fiber will keep you full for long. If you incorporate lots of fiber into your diet, you will feel satiated and full. When you're satiated and full, it's so much easier to stay on track. It's pretty simple. Fiber-rich foods are very filling. Eat foods rich in fiber at every meal. Foods like beans, all kinds of vegetables and fruit, whole grains like whole wheat pasta, bread, and so on. Nuts, seeds, avocado, berries, cereal. Do yourself a favor, and when you go shopping next time and buy cereal, just read the nutritional label and pick the one that has the most amount of fiber. It's so simple to find those fiber-rich products. And as a bonus, you can always snack on popcorn. It's a great source of fiber. Tip number 3, get your sleep in order. What I mean is, get a decent 7 to 8 hours a night. You see, when you don't sleep enough, your hormones go out of balance. Scientific literature indicates that insufficient sleep has been found to trigger higher levels of ghrelin, the appetite-stimulating hormone. And people who don't sleep enough have been found to have low levels of leptin, the hormone that regulates levels of satiety. So, it doesn't take a scientist to understand that if you don't sleep enough, your body will tell you to overeat. You must avoid that. Sleep well. It's that simple. It's all about hunger control. If you can control your sleep, it's easier to control your hunger. Proper sleep is so important. And also, when you're asleep, you cannot eat. So that actually helps to limit the number of calories you consume in a day. Tip number 4, drink more water. Yet again, I'll repeat this over and over again. The number 1 reason why so many people fail to lose weight is hunger. Very often we think we're hungry, but in reality, we're just thirsty. Water is excellent at preventing hunger spikes and keeping you full. It fills your stomach and as such can stop you from eating. And on top of that, when you think about it, drinking water has so many incredible benefits. Water is the source of life. It improves concentration, cognition, and the condition of your skin and hair. On a biological level, it helps cells to transport oxygen, minerals, and vitamins. Water is so good for you. Drink it to lose weight. Tip number 5, consistency. This one is absolutely essential. I cannot emphasize this enough. Be consistent. What I mean by staying consistent is you commit today and you're committed tomorrow, next week, and next month. Nothing worth having can be obtained overnight. Nothing. You need to understand that change takes time, especially on a biological level. When trying to lose weight, what you'll experience are ups and downs, but if you apply those 5 tips on a daily basis consistently, I guarantee you will see incredible results. This is super easy. All you need to do is apply yourself to those simple rules, and once you see results, you will never look back. Got any questions? You can ask below. I promise to answer every single one of them. If you need an extra push and a bit of motivation, check out this video. Top 5 tips on how to spark a fire in your heart and stay motivated. And it's not what you think it is, so check it out.